Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood crypto wallet. First, download the Robinhood wallet application, which is separate from the main Robinhood app. You can find it on both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, you'll either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. For security, set up biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID, or create a custom 6-digit PIN. Remember to back up your secret recovery phrase safely. It's crucial for wallet recovery. Sending crypto from your Robinhood wallet is straightforward. Begin by opening the wallet and selecting the specific cryptocurrency you intend to send. Next, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. You can either paste it in or use the QR code scanner for accuracy. Then, enter the exact amount of crypto you wish to transfer. Always double-check all transaction details, especially the address and any estimated network fees, before confirming your send. To receive crypto into your Robinhood wallet, simply go to the Receive section for the particular cryptocurrency you expect. You will see your unique wallet address, which you can copy with one tap. Alternatively, you can display a QR code for the sender to scan. Share this address with the person or platform sending you crypto. It is vital to confirm that they are sending the correct cryptocurrency over the compatible network to ensure a successful transfer. Security is paramount with your crypto wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication and use a strong, unique PIN for access. Your secret recovery phrase is your ultimate key. Keep it absolutely private and secure. The Robinhood wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys, enhancing your ownership. While Robinhood does not charge additional fees for transfers, remember that network fees, also known as gas fees, are always incurred and paid to the blockchain network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.